Assalamu alaikum, fast people. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, I am doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mohd Franto. Today, I am gonna to tell you now in this video before storm coming moment. Right now, I am stay my field, and today I tend to think that the storm can be calm because this is high time to storm time. You know, this is Bangla month name is Boishak. That's why Boishak month is famous to Kal Boishake storm. Right now, look west side, and I tend to think that the west side very darkness cloud coming, and before storm moment and means environment, and right now environment similar because when yesterday I I come my field that time very cool air coming, but today do, today doesn't come the air. That's why today environment is very silent. Maybe sometime later the storm might be calm, and right now the storm calm. This is not good for our village farmers because our village farmers they have cultivated paddy, and our village and my area paddy cultivate. When they are cultivate the paddy after today we have to keep on the field because we have to bind this paddy. When this paddy properly dry, after that our village farmer we can take this paddy. So many people already they have cultivated paddy, but this paddy doesn't dry properly. That's why right now the storm come, our village farmers paddy may be damaged, and our village farmer they can it's they can they can very big problem face. So but this right now this moment is say the Boishak month Kal Boishak is storm may become. So right now I am see our village farmer they are carry the paddy. So no more today, inshallah. Next day I will try to discuss another video that's all about today video topic.